Good day, everyone. So I bought this comforter. It's a down comforter, so you can use a Duvet, I think that's how you say it. Those covers for comforters so that you can change the look of it. I ordered it on Friday and it is Sunday, so I got it within 2 days because I got the Amazon Prime trial. And I'm not the only one that has done that, so so we're going to open it up and see how good of quality it is, because I mean for this one I read through all of the reviews and most of them were positive, praying that it is good. I believe it was about $26 or $27, so we'll see what type of quality it is. I'm not expecting it to be super amazing because I mean it is $26, $27. I do hope that it's good enough quality though. So this is what it looks like. It says Utopia bedding, goose down alternative comforter. So it looks like it was vacuum sealed in here, which I did see some people say that when they ordered it, that it's vacuum sealed. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna have to cut it very carefully. So as you can see right here, here's the comforter. I can obviously cut it up here so that I will not cut the comforter. And once I start cutting it, it literally starts expanding. I'm just smelling it. I thought it would have like a weird smell, you know, from being vacuum sealed and stuff. And I'm just checking to make sure it doesn't have any stains or weird stuff on it. It actually looks pretty good, guys. And I did get the queen size. My bed is a full. The reason that I got the queen size was because I read that if you wanted to just kind of have more of the drapey look, get a size bigger. This is about how thick it is. It's not super thick. It doesn't feel like it would be too warm. Here are the inserts that every corner has. It's sewn in squares, which I do like because that way it won't bulk up in one area, and it's very soft and cushiony. So all in all, I would have to say that I am satisfied with it. I think I'm gonna toss it into the dryer so that I can see it a little bit more fluffy. Whoa. No, don't drop. Alright, I'm gonna toss it in the dryer. I'm just gonna do it really quick. So I did fluff air, no heat, for 10 minutes. Once it's done, we'll come back down and grab it, and we'll see the end result. While that dries up, I'm going to open my second box. So the second thing that I bought were some blackout curtains. Whew, I'm out of breath. I have to walk up 2 flights of stairs, guys, to my room. So I bought some blackout curtains because the ones that I have right now are supposedly blackout, but they're not. And so since my room is on the 3rd floor, the sun hits directly at my biggest window. That window right there, that causes no issues. The sun barely comes in through there. Maybe the first 3 hours of the morning, which is when the sun's not even at its strongest. Through here, the sun hits this window from 11 a.m. till like 6 p.m. to like 6 p.m. I at least have curtains now, but when I didn't, this room would get so hot. The curtains that I have right now are these. They have like some, I don't know what material this is, but it blocks out sun, it does, but it doesn't keep the room cool. If I want a room to like seriously no light to get in at all, because light still gets in with these, so they're technically not like super blackout. The ones that I bought on Amazon are supposedly like energy saving, blackout. Like this side is black and then this side is white. So as you can see, the light still shows. Okay, that's what they look like. Light still shows. Supposedly the ones that I bought right now, they're supposed to look like this here. That's what they look like. They're Flamingo, that's the brand. The brand is Flamingo P. And yeah, they're 52 inches width and 96 inches for length. They have said in the reviews that the color had kind of a silver tint to it, and it does. Alright, so this is the back. This is what's going to be facing the sun, and then this is what's going to be facing me. I just heard my comforter. Let's go get it. I'm going to take these down and I'm going to put up the white ones so we can see side to side the difference. Okay, so as you can see, that is a huge difference. Those are the blackout energy saving curtains, and then these are the supposedly blackout ones, but sunlight's still getting in and nothing's getting in through there. Obviously my room is still gonna have some light because of that window, but I am pretty satisfied. So there is the end result. As you can see, no sun. You cannot see the lighting except for like up there, but who cares? I don't. I like that it looks silver and not an off-white, so there's not like two different shades of white. I'm satisfied. It definitely is already helping the room feel a lot cooler. I know if I didn't have that window right there, it would have been completely blacked out. So if you are looking for some blackout curtains, I'm going to post the link down for these. They come in different colors, so there's black, there's red, blue, all of that. So I'll put that link down below in the description box, and also the link for this comforter down below. I did put it in the dryer for a little bit and it's fluffy-ish. If you want a really heavy, thick comforter, this probably wouldn't be the one for you. It's not super thick, but it's not too thin either. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.